Hello everybody, welcome back to Czech Engine. My name's Lee and today we are in a Peugeot 206cc. We're here to ask the question, is it actually any good? Let's find out. The 206cc, a lot of them are nearly 20 years old now, so you need to cast your mind back to the mid to late 90s when the design for these was really being penned. It was a long time ago, and a lot of the generations now may not have even seen or been in a 206cc, so cast your mind back to the turn of the century. No, the other one. That's better. Peugeot had been on a roll, literally from the early 80s with the 205, the 205 GTI, 306s, 405s, 406 coupes, literally a 20-year roll of just making brilliant car after car with hot hatch performance version of every single one of these in the range.
Give them the 106.
I'd rather die.
No! Legendary Peugeot 205. Over 4 million customers know why. Art of the winning formula from Peugeot, which is why the Lion continues to go from strength to strength.
Peugeot needed something to wow, and they found it when they launched in the 2000 Motor Show at Geneva the 206cc, the former progression from the 20 Hearts concept released in '98. But this was a one with a difference. This one was both cars, both a coupe and a convertible, at the flick of a switch. At the time, the only other car you could buy with a metal folding roof was the Mercedes SLK. So at this point, you're buying a car that you can afford with Mercedes-style technology. It was an instant hit. The mechanism for the folding roof was very Transformer-like. Anyone that's of my age that had Transformers as a kid, it's like having your very own one that you can drive. So in 2022, is it still a good option? Well, I think it is. It's easy to drive, it's great on fuel. I've averaged about 42 miles per gallon in the time that I've had it, and I've had it probably about a month, and it's been very reliable. It's a 2005 model, so it's a newer one, and you can still see sort of X-Reg early turn of the century models still driving around in pretty good condition. This particular one is the 1.6, so it's 110 brake horsepower. It's okay, it's good, it's not slow. It does have to gather its skirt when you put your foot down and row through the gears, but pulling onto junctions does take a little bit more time than most modern traffic. But I would probably say if you were buying one, go for the 2-litre one. It's 148 horsepower, so it was much more modern a drive, I would say. But that doesn't put you off having the 1.6. The fuel economy is a lot better. With the roof up, handling wise, it's pretty good. I mean, it's based on the 206 GTI chassis, which is a good start anyway. Obviously, when you always cut the roof off a car, it does make it a little bit different, and the characteristics do handle differently. But it's fun. With the roof up, it's fun in the bends. It doesn't have the GTI's power, but it does feel positive, and you don't feel a wave of terror wash over you whenever you enter into a bend. It has pneumatic steering, so it's old school. It's got plenty of feel. Being smaller, it means like you're actually driving the car. You feel at one with it, and you're in control of it, rather than just sort of being the custodian of the vehicle on new cars. So it's a very different feel. Obviously 75 miles an hour, I imagine, obviously, would feel quite a lot different in this compared to a modern car. However, I think it's cute and the kids think it's cute, which is why we've given it a name, and its name is Colombo, because it's the only famous Peugeot convertible I could think of.
Is it safe? The car? Yes. Absolutely. Here, let me get that for you, sir. There we are. There we are.
My personal preference, obviously, apart from having all the sky that you could ever imagine at your fingertips with the roof down and getting a town on the top of your head, it is a much nicer car in coupe mode with all the windows down front and back. It's a good look too. Oh, fuel roulette. Oops, right, one sec. So the question is, should you buy one? Well, I think you should. Keep it for a year, sell it on for a profit in the summer. Failing that, wait till winter and save yourself a few quid. Thank you for watching this review. It was a lot of fun doing it. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.